Good morning students, this is your maths class and today we are going to learn about number from 21 to 50. Let's see, 2 tens plus 1 is equal 21. 2 tens means 1 ten means 10 and 2 tens means 20 plus 1 make it 21. Next see, here 2 tens mushroom means 2 tens means 20 plus add more 2 make it 22. See here 2 tens means 20 plus 3 ones make it 23. Look at these students. 2 tens means 20 plus 4 ones make it 24. Here 4 tens means 40. It's 40 plus 3 ones make it 43. Next see 3 tens means 30 plus 2 ones means 2 make it 32. So students, like this, practice at your home. Thank you.